try eating Kallang Claypot LaLa during the rainy weather. And my clay pot is all ready. I have selected all of my ingredients over here and we're ready to get them all into the pot together with the free flow sauce. The lala that is provided here is actually very big, clean, and it tastes great too. So all you have to do is just add everything that you love in. So I added my crab stick, my prawns, my scallops, and some meatballs, bursting balls, and also the skin and the enoki mushrooms. I'm just gonna dip this into the sauce and continue on my delectable journey with my mushrooms and my cheese tofu and the various meats that I've also selected. So enjoy it together with me!